as you can see, this is the aquarium which we have made last time. These two aquarium decors, we have ordered these two from Flipkart. This is the filter which was there in my another aquarium, and since I didn't want to buy anymore, so I have used the same one. Since the speed of this filter was high, and actually it is used for bigger aquariums, but our aquarium is small, so we have decreased its speed by adding this cloth over it. We have just added this cloth in order to reduce its speed. These are the fishes. This is goldfish.
These two are black goldfish.
One sweeper fish is also there. I think it got hidden behind this decor. Then we have also these plants which we have bought last time from the local market itself. We also have ordered some live plants which we will be showing you in the next video. So guys, we have got a new parcel for our fish tank. So let's see what is inside. Yes, so these are the fishes which is there in this plastic bag. Here it's not clearly visible, it's a little bit blur, but we will show you later on. Now just keep in mind that we cannot keep this fish directly into the water. We cannot put this fish directly into the fish tank, but to maintain the temperature, we have to keep this entire plastic into the water, fish tank water. So let's keep this for 5 minutes. Now we are putting this in the water for around 5 to 15 minutes in order to maintain its temperature. So let this plastic be there inside the water for at least 5 minutes. You can keep it till 15 minutes. By 15 minutes, the temperature will be perfectly okay. You can put those fishes inside the fish tank. Guys, our 15 minutes is done. We thought of keeping it for 5 minutes, but then it's always good to keep for some more time. So we have kept this for 15 minutes because the fishes need to get adjusted with this aquarium water. We can't put these fishes directly into this water, otherwise the fishes might get sick. So now it's time to put the fish into the water. Before that, we will separate out this water and the fishes. Now we are unpacking this plastic. So here we got the fishes. It might look blurry again. You can see the fishes in the aquarium when we put these fishes in the aquarium. We have got two white goldfish and one goldfish which is gold in color. Guys, please keep in mind that we cannot put this water into the fish tank, because they might be having some fishes which have got diseases, and this water might also be infected. And when we put this water into our aquarium, then the whole aquarium might get infected and our fishes might start having diseases. Now we are separating out the fish and the water. Now we are putting the fish into our tank. The fishes will take some time to adjust. Now let's have a complete view of our aquarium. This is the sweeper fish. So those are the goldfishes which we have added. These goldfishes made our aquarium look more beautiful. You can see those fishes. They are still at the back. Guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you all liked it. So before we end up, I would like to say that we are growing some live plants outside. We will post those videos very soon. Guys, thank you for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.